How to recover permanently deleted text SMS on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can recover permanently deleted text SMS on Android. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. You can look up for your Google backup. Open up settings in your device. Scroll down, tap on Google. Here, tap on all services. Here, scroll down a bit and search for backup and tap on it. And here, check if there is a recent backup that includes SMS. If a backup exists, all you have to do is reset your phone. But be careful, that's gonna erase all of your data. Now, during the reset, you can choose Restore from Google Backup. But here you have to remember that this method will only work if your backup was created before the message was deleted. So in this way you can recover your permanently deleted text SMS if you have backed up enabled. And here, if you are about to reset your device, make sure that's gonna erase all of your data. So be careful with that as well. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.